This is a simple instructional tutorial to help you get through Lesson 21E. When you come upon this 21E, and once you've clicked Next, this is what your screen is going to look like. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to read all of this information on this page. You will not know what to do if you don't read everything on this page. See, this says instructions, so you should read these instructions. You should read everything under the title, and then when you come to this section, it tells you specifically download resources to use during practice exercise. So on page 11 of your Word manual, you're going to be asked to open a file, but you need to save the file to a location so that you can open it later. So the first thing we'll want to do is click on Download File, and yours may look a little bit differently from mine. It depends on the browser that you're using, but it all operates the same way. Now read what it says. It says you must save the file to a location where you can open it later. Navigate to the location where you want to save the file and save it. So we want to save this file. So we're going to click Save File, and we're going to click OK. And what I hope is that you have your flash drive in and that you have a folder named Keyboarding. And if you do, you can double click on that folder, and then we can save the file in our keyboarding folder. So we're done with that part. Now it says start the practice exercise. Study getting started, which you should have done. You had instructions to do that previously. And then it says study lesson 21 in your Word manual. Then complete this practice exercise as directed in the Word manual. Click the Start Work button and then click the Open button in the dialog box to open a blank, unnamed file in Word. And then you'll follow the steps to complete the practice exercise. So what we want to do here is we want to click Start Work, and then here we want to click the Open button or Open with Microsoft Word button. Either way works. We want to open. We click OK. And we're going to have a Word document that opens up. It's a blank, unnamed file. And we have this file so that we can practice. So you can then follow along in your Word manual. You can read the information and then complete the shaded practice steps on this blank, unnamed Word file. Now mine's taken a minute to open. Hopefully yours won't. But that is briefly how you need to start Lesson 21E. You need to first download and save a file, which you will then be instructed to open later. And then you need to start work and open a blank, unnamed file that you will use to complete the practice exercises in your Word manual for Lesson 21.